So we have to become dependent on the copied manuscript, which creates a lot of problem because it brings a lot of changes too. Now we are totally dependent upon the copies made by later scribes. As a result, historians have to read different manuscript versions of the same text to guess what the author had originally written. Now, to sort out this problem, what the historians have to do, they have to read the different copied manuscripts so that they could guess that what exactly in original it was written. On occasion, authors revise through chronicles at different times. The 4th century chronicle, Ziauddin Barani wrote his chronicle first in 1356 and another version 2 years later. Now they are saying that even authors also revise their chronicle. What is chronicle? Chronicle are basically those documents where past events have been recorded. Okay, the 4th century chronicle, Ziauddin Barani wrote his chronicle first in 1356, another version in 2 years later. Now they are saying even the 4th century chronicle he has also written twice. Okay, once he has written in 1356 and the other 2 years later, that means in 1358. Fine, these two were totally different from each other, but the historians came to know about their existence in 1960s after many years. Why? Because one of the chronicle has been somewhat lost in the large libraries. That is why. Okay, this was the problem which was faced by historians at that time. Now the next topic is new social and political groups. In this topic, we'll read about that how the people were bringing the changes among the social and the political group, okay, of the world. The study of the 1,000 years between 700 and 1750 is a huge challenge of historians, largely because of the scale and variety of development that occurred over the period. Now they are saying it was very difficult for the historians to go through the time between 700 to 1750 because there are a lot of changes has been occurred during this time. At different moments in this period, new technology made their appearances. Now they are saying that in this era, in this period basically, there were so many technologies which took place, like the Persian wheel in irrigation, the spinning wheel in weaving, and firearms in combat. Now they are saying there are so many technologies which were taking place, like the Persian wheel, like the spinning wheel in weaving, and the firearms. There were so many technologies, there were so many crops which were taking place, like potatoes, corn, chilies, tea, coffee. These all were introduced at that time. People have bring so much innovations. Innovation means new ideas.